Strength isn't just for the young. It's the ultimate insurance policy for your second act.
We call it gorilla strength, that deep, functional power that makes you feel unshakable.
Today, I'm giving you 6 equipment-free moves to build that power in just 21 days.
In 3 weeks, your nervous system can completely rewire itself for maximum force. You don't need a gym. Your own body weight is the most sophisticated piece of equipment ever made. Subscribe to Senior Strength now and join thousands of seniors reclaiming your power.
Most seniors only use 40% of their muscle potential. We are going to unlock the other 60%.
This isn't just about looks. It's about the strength to live life on your own terms.
Let's get to work. Exercise 1, the silverback wall squat.
This move builds pillar strength in your legs and core without straining your knees.
Press your entire back into the wall. Imagine you are an unmovable mountain.
Hold this for 30 seconds. This static hold builds immense bone density in the hips.
Isometric holds tell your body to pack more calcium into the bone.
Drive through your heels to stand back up. Feel that power in your base.
When your legs are strong, your walk becomes a statement of confidence.
Move 2 builds the pushing power needed to lift yourself or protect yourself.
Use a counter or a sturdy table. Keep your elbows tucked in, not flared out.
Lower your chest slowly. Imagine you are compressing a giant spring.
This incline version builds strength while protecting your aging shoulder joints.
Push back as if you are shoving away a heavy door. That is your gorilla strength.
Functional strength makes chores feel like warm-ups.
You need a strong pull to balance your push. This move fixes your posture instantly.
Grip the frame firmly. Lean back until your weight is supported by your arms.
Pull your chest toward the door frame. Squeeze your back muscles like you're holding a pencil.
These are the muscles that keep you from slouching and protect your spine.
Don't just fall back. Control the negative to double your strength gains.
A strong back is the mark of a person who refuses to bend to age. Move 4 targets the most powerful muscle in your body, the glutes.
And drive your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your buttocks at the very top.
This is the foundation of your walking and climbing power.
This prevents lower back pain by making your legs do the heavy lifting.
Hold it. This tension creates the gorilla base you need for balance.
Stairs are no longer an obstacle. They are a playground.
Move 5 focuses on the second heart, your calves.
Rise up onto your tiptoes. Go as high as you can.
This improves circulation and gives you the spring in your step of a younger person.
Strong calves help your heart by assisting with venous return.
Get that full stretch. Flexibility is just as important as force.
Feel the bounce. Feel the life returning to your legs.
Final move. This builds the core strength that holds everything together.
Keep your body as straight as an arrow. No dipping the hips.
Imagine someone is about to poke you in the stomach. Brace for it. This is the internal armor that stops back injuries before they start. Don't stop breathing. Oxygen is what fuels the fire of your strength.
Core strength is the difference between collapsing and commanding.
Week 1 is for activation. Week 2 is for adaptation. Week 3 is for pure power.
You will feel the difference in how your clothes fit by the end of week 1.
We are building old school strength, the kind that lasts.
Your strength grows while you rest. Make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
Wake up feeling like a predator, not the prey.
Want more power? Hold a heavy book against your chest while you sit against the wall.
This extra resistance accelerates your gorilla leg development.
The struggle is where the strength is born. Don't shy away from it.
Never feel wobbly in public again.
If your back arches, use a higher surface, like the back of a sofa.
This is the safe zone for those just starting their journey.
Grip strength is a direct indicator of longevity. Squeeze that edge.
You are building the chest armor that protects your ribs and heart.
A handshake that says, "I am strong," changes how the world sees you.
Change your hand position. Palms up for biceps, palms down for upper back.
This builds the pulling power needed to lift groceries or a grandchild. Strength has no expiration date. Look at that muscle work.
This move also cures tech neck and upper back fatigue.
Drive longer distances without that ache in your shoulders.
Ready for elite gorilla status? Try lifting one leg off the floor.
This is the ultimate test of pelvic stability and raw power.
Focus on the squeeze. This is where you become unshakable.
In every sport, power comes from the hips. You are becoming an athlete again.
True strength is the ability to move through your day with ease.
Take 3 seconds to go up and 3 seconds to go down. No bouncing.
Bouncing uses momentum. We want to use pure muscle.
You are armoring your ankles against sprains and strains.
This move can even help with plantar fasciitis by strengthening the foot.
Balance is just strength in disguise.
Want a rock solid core? While in the plank, gently tap your opposite shoulder.
This anti-rotation strength is what protects your back when you twist.
These are the muscles that act like a girdle for your internal organs.
A strong core is a silent spine. No noise, no pain.
Move your body with fluid, pain-free range.
You can't build a skyscraper with cheap bricks. Eat your protein.
Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein at every meal to feed your new muscles.
You will feel the surge of energy that comes with a strong metabolism.
Muscle burns more calories than fat, even while you are sitting down.
It's okay to be proud of the work you've put in.
Remember, back flat, hips low, build that bone density. Remember, straight line, elbows in, push with power. Remember, squeeze the back, fix the posture, pull for life.
Remember, squeeze the glutes, drive the heels, protect the back. Remember, go high, go slow, boost the circulation.
Remember, brace the core, breathe deep, armor the spine.
6 moves. 3 weeks. A whole new you.
I believe in you. This routine works if you do the work.
Don't wait for Monday. Start with just 1 set right now.
Your legacy isn't just what you leave behind. It's how you live right now.
Strength is a choice. Choose to be a gorilla today.
It is an honor to watch you transform. Keep going.
Power, stability, freedom, senior strength.
Thank you for watching. Your strength journey starts now.
Want to fuel your gains? Click here for the best senior power foods.